Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I have already shown you how to design this teacher module. So if you have not watched that video, then just go to description. There I put the link for my previous video, or you can simply do one thing, just click on the suggestion on the right side of your screen. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually design for this one, that is add new question. Here you can see this. When I click on this, a new user control appear on the screen. So I'm going to show you how to design this one and how to connect this user control with this button. So this is our complete project. That's why every button is functional inside this one. So I'm going to close this one and move back to the project on which we are working. We are working on quiz management video. Here we go. Now let's start this and let's check from where our task is done. So I've started it. So I'm going to log in, that is btechdays and btechdays. Okay, and here you can see this. Now our dashboard is visible over here. When I click on this, nothing happens. So we have to start working on this. Let me close this. Okay, so first thing what we have to do is we have to add one folder over here with the name teacher UC, so that we can keep every user control for this one in that folder. So right click on this and add new folder and just change the name to teacher underscore UC, that is teacher underscore user controls. Inside this one, first thing what we have to do is we have to add new user controls. So click on add, select this one, user control, just click on this. And I'm going to actually name this one user control underscore add new question, like this. Let me just UC underscore add new question. Click on add and it will add a new user control inside this one, that is a teacher underscore UC. Here you can see this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the size same as this one, that is panel 2. So click on this empty space. And here you can see this, the panel 2 is properties of panel 2 is visible over here, and I'm going to copy the size for this one, that is 1095,768, and move back over here, right click on this, go to properties and set the size, hit enter. After this what we have to do is we have to change the back color, change this one to white. By default controller color is little bit off white, so you have to select manually white. When I select white, this white is little bit brighter than the old one. Okay, after this what we have to do is we have to start adding this stuff. So first I need one label, so I'm going to drag and drop one label over here, just drag and drop it, and I'm going to change the text for this one too. Search for text, change this one to add question. After this, change this font, just click on this and a pop-up will be appear on your screen, something like this one, and I'm going to select Century Gothic, yeah, this one, and it will be bold, and size I'm going to select 18, yeah, this one is good. After this we need few more labels, so I'm going to select one more label, drag and drop it, just click on this and change the text. Change this one to set, question set actually, and increase the size for this one. Select the font Century Gothic and regular, and size will be 12. Okay. No, this Century Gothic is not looking nice on this one. Or 14. Okay, we will undo some step. Yeah, this is Microsoft Sans Serif, and I'm going to select the 12 for this one. Yeah, this is good. Okay, after this we need one text box, so I'm going to use Guna to text box. This one, just drag and drop it over here like this and drag it, make this one large a little bit. Okay, we need few more labels. I'm going to copy this and paste it again. so that all properties what we have set for this label will be on the new one. Okay, so I'm going to change the name for this one, the text. So I'm going to change this one to question number. After this I need one more label. That will represent the question number, and the text color will be red. And for now I'm going to set 10 or 11 like this, and like this one. Okay, this will represent the question number for a particular set. Okay, after this we need few more text fields that will be the for question and options. Okay, so I'm going to copy the size for this text field from the complete project. So move back over here, and this is this one. Okay, so I'm going to copy the size for this one. Size is 340,36. I guess the size for this one is the same. Yeah, size for every field is same, and we need one more label over here with the red color. Okay, so let me check the text for this one. This is 12. Yeah, that's good. Move back over here, and what we have to do is just click on this and set the size. It's almost exact. Okay, I'm going to copy these two and paste it again like this one, and we need actually 5 times, or yeah, 6 times actually. 2, 3, 4 like this one. These are, first is question, second is option, there are 3 options and 1 answer. So I need one more like this one, and finally I need one more, that will be the answer like this. Okay, so let me change the name for these labels. So just select the first one and change the name for this one to question, this one to option, option 1. We copy this and hit enter, select this one, paste it, change this one to option 2. Now the third one, select this, paste this one and change this one to 3. And finally the fourth one, select this and change this one to 4, and this one to answer. Just like this, and we need to actually move these all little bit on the upside. So select these all the text fields actually on the first go, and move these with the help of keyboard like this. Yeah, this is looking nice. After this we have to move these two little bit on the upside, and the same way we have to move the remaining to make some space. Yeah, like this and like this. Here you can see this one is looking nice, and we need to put one more label over here. So let me just copy this and paste it once again and move back over here. Just select this one, oblique, and the size will be 12, and hit OK, and change the text to no set exist. Change the text, yeah, here we go, and we have to set this no set exist with this number, or we can set with this set number like this. If there is no set available for a particular number, then this will be visible and that will look nice. After this we have to add few buttons over here. That will be the next and finish, reset, these buttons needs to be here. Just click on this and search for button. I'm going to use this Guna2 button, so not to worry about this. Guna2 DLL file link is already in the description of this video. You have to just download that, and I have also made one video how to add the DLL file into this toolbox. Just watch that video and you will have these controls in your toolbox. Just drag and drop it over here, and this button, just click on this and change the text first. So change this one to next, hit enter, and we have to change the color code, and color code is 0,118,225, hit enter. After this we have to change the font size. Just click on this, click on this one. I'm going to change this one to Century Gothic, and it will be bold and 16, hit OK. And what we have to do is we have to actually set the border radius for this one. Search for that. Yeah, here we go. So change this one to 18, and this is good. After this, minimize a little bit on the small side, and we need some border, so I'm going to set the border to 1. Yeah, we have now border with the black color. And what I want is when I hover over this one with the mouse, the color, the background color needs to be white, and the text written inside this one needs to be black or something blue. So for that we have to change this one to hover state. Just move back over here and search for hover state. Select this button, and after that search for this hover state. Okay, search for hover state, and here we found this, and click on this. You have to select, I don't want to change the border color needs to be in black, that's totally fine. So we have to change the fill color to white, and the for color needs to be in the black. Okay, so now our next button is ready. Next thing, we need one more button with the same one, so copy and paste it again, and all the properties is also copied. So I want to change the text to reset. Search for text and change this one to reset. And we have to set icons inside this one. So I've already provided you the link for all the images and icon I'm using in this project in the description of this video. Just download that and start using. So just click on this image, local resources, and click on import, and we have to select one image that is for reset. Okay, so I'm going to use this image. So just click on this, click on OK, and increase the size to 30, 30. In the same way we have to do for the next. Just click on this, select image. So where did it go? Yeah, just click on this, local resources, click on import, and we have to use okay. Okay, so I'm going to use this one next. That will be also saving the data, the question number in the database. So I'm going to use this one 25, 25, hit enter, like this. Okay, so next thing, we need one more button, that will be the finish button. So when I click on this, the set will be changed, and new set number will be updated over here in this box, and the question number is also reset according to that set, that will be the 1. Okay, so I need one more button, so I'm going to copy this and paste it over here like this, and just make this one large like this. And I don't want to set any image inside this one, so let me just remove this, clear, and hit OK. And I'm going to name this finish, hit enter, and I'm going to change the back color for this one, not this one. I'm going to change the back color, yeah, this one to red, and the for color, the text will be needs to be in the black. So search for this for color and click on this and select black, and let me just decrease the font size a little bit. 14 is fine, and this one is looking nice. After this, what we have to do is we have to actually connect this user control with that button, that is the add new question in the teacher dashboard. Okay, so click on this. First move back to the teacher.cs, just click on this one. The first select the button. After that, we have to change the design name for this one. I'm going to change this one to btn add new question. Hit enter, and now the name for this one is changed. Now move back over here, and here we have to actually search for Guna to ellipse. Just drag and drop it over here. Click on this one. I don't need to, so just select on this. Target control, change this one to this one, UC underscore add new question. Click on this, and just I don't need to change the radius. Okay, so next thing what I have to do is copy this and save this one. Move back over here, paste it, click on this, and target control will be the panel 2, this panel. So select this panel 2. If you have changed the name for this panel, then you have to select that particular name. So I haven't changed the name, so this is by default panel 2. Now you can't able to find that UC underscore add new question inside this one. You can find this, but you can't drag and drop it over here. To work it properly, what you have to do is just start this project and you have to close it. That's it. After that, you can drag and drop that user control into this one. So I have started the project. It will take few seconds at least. Yeah, it started. Now you have to just simply close this, move back over here, click on toolbox, go to the top, just drag and drop it over here. And here you can see this, it's added. So we have to place this in the proper position. Like this. And with the help of keyboard, we will move this one a little bit on the left side. Okay. Now we have added this user control inside this one. Next thing what we have to do is, what I want is when I click on this button, then only this user control needs to be visible. When this form loads, this needs to be hidden. For that, what we have to do is we have to actually create a load event for this form. So let me just move this one a little bit like this, and just double click on the empty space, and this will generate a load event for this form. Just double click on this, and here you can see the teacher underscore load event is generated. And next thing what we have to do is, let me just move this one on the proper position. So change the location to 0, 0 and hit enter. Now we have to also click on this button, that is double click on this. This will generate a click event for this btn add new question, and when this one loads, I want to hide that user control. So for that, you see the name for that one, that user control will be, okay, so let me just add new, and here we go, UC underscore add new question dot visible is equal to false. And the second thing what I have to do is, when we click on this button, I want to show this. Okay, so UC underscore this one dot visible is equal to true. And second thing, we have to bring this into the front. If there are multiple panels, if there are multiple user controls, and if we want to show this one, when I click on that button, then we have to bring it to front. First make that visible, then bring to the front on the top of every other user control. For that, we have to do the same. You enter for this one dot bring to front. We have to call this method. Now our task is done. Now let's start this and let's check if this one is working fine or not. So I've started the project. It will take few seconds. Okay. So every time what we have to do is we have to log in every time whenever we start the project. So I'm going to make a small change so that whenever we start the project, directly teacher module needs to be opened, because in the further videos also we are going to work on the teacher module. when we are going to work on the the student module, then we are going to revert these changes, what I'm going to do right now. So move back over in this one, program.cs, and change the name of this one, that is form 1. So when we start on this, form 1 is being loaded or started first, so I'm going to change this one to teacher. Now start this and directly the teacher module will be opened. So we started this. And here you can see this, there is no login page this time. We have skipped that one. And here you can see this, now initially nothing is visible over here. That user control, we have added the user control, but still that's not visible. So when I click on this, now the user control is visible. Yeah. Okay, so in the full screen, this is, everything is nice. Here you can see this. You can adjust these according to as per your need. You can adjust these on the little bit of the left and the right. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to backend code for this one, that is add new question. And just stay tuned, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.